Hi everyone, this is 5-in-1 hairstyler from Closeskin Co. Comes with 5 tools which I will show you how to use in this video. I wash my hair, towel dry, and then I spray my favorite thermal spray. At first, I'm using pre-styling dryer. It's super easy to attach. You just match the arrows and clip it on. The hairstyler has 3 different heat settings that help prevent any damage to the hair. I love that it uses air instead of extreme heat and ion technology, which reduces static in my hair. To change the attachments, simply push down. Next, I use the smoothing brush. It creates a straighter style with no frizz and fewer flyaways. I love the firm bristles and it just feels so nice on my hair. Volumizing brush is great for fine and flat hair like mine. It lifts my hair from the roots and gives my hair a bit of volume. I also love using it on my ends to give them a little curl. With curling barrels, you can create beautiful bouncy curls. Using just air, it wraps hair to the barrel without any movement from me. I found it works best on little chunks of hair. There are 2 curling barrels, right and left barrels, so you can make your curls in both directions. There is no heat, only air. I don't have to worry that my hair gets damaged from drying and styling like my other hair tools I've used. This 5-in-1 hairstyler from Closeskin Co. has been a game changer for my hair. It's super easy to use and it cuts my styling time in half. Go and check it out.